Hello, iPhone users. So, you know that night mode, brightening the light, etc. options are here in the settings, right? Which I have covered in previous videos. So, how you can change it to night mode, etc. Night shift, true tone, and more, right? So, this you can do it without going to settings option, and this is when you come to control center and you see option of brightness, right? You hold it and you see this option on your screen where there is option of dark mode. You can turn it on and off, right? Again, there is option of night shift and night shift on and off, and then true tone as well. So you can select it without going to settings and searching it and doing it, right? So this will help you to make your screen display and brightness easier to access whenever you want to change it, right? And yes, of course, for the timings etc, you have to go to the settings and do it, and make it till there. And the difference, you can see how quick it is, smoothly it is going to change when you want it to be, right? That's how it is. See you in the next video with more such quick hacks for you. Ta-da.